Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Engineering. Today, in previous classes, we have completed up to keywords in C. We have seen there are 32 keywords in C language. Now let's move on. And we have seen that comments too. We have written programs based on single line and multi-line comments. Now let's go further. Now I wanna discuss about operators. Operators means which are these are the operators. These are the symbols which performs operations. Okay, like you all know in maths, summation, division, multiplication, subtraction, everything comes under operators. And in these programming languages there will be still more operators present. Now I will be discussing about those all. See here, there are different types of operators present in C. They are arithmetic operators, arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, and ternary operator. We have these operators, like we have some 6 operators. Okay, now let's discuss about all the 6 operators in detail. First one is arithmetic operators. These arithmetic operators are, as you all know, summation plus, subtraction minus, multiplication, division, percentage, which is called as modulus, which gives remainder, okay, when divided, and this is power of, are arithmetic operators. Okay, now let's write a program based on arithmetic operators. Yeah, today I'll be writing with you only. Hash include, as you all know, this is a compulsory line in any C program. Void main. Now int a comma b, int a comma b, and scanf. Okay, printf into values of a and b, scanf, %ld, as both are integers we are using %ld, and %a and %b to store the given value in the variables a and b. And after this, let's perform additions and multiplication. Okay, no need of all these, just addition, %ld, comma a plus b, printf, subtraction, %ld, a minus b, printf, multiplication, %ld, a into b. Let's copy this and perform another operators. Still we have 3 more, like this is power of, power of. Yes, here comes the program. I have written everything, and after, okay, now let's run it and check it out whether we are getting the output or not. Yeah, enter values of a and b. We have to enter some values of a and b. Means, yeah, let's enter 4 and 2. Okay, see, we are getting all the values, but in some this is not in systematic order, right? So we have to add something here. After every line we have to print next line, which goes to next line. Okay, oh, space by n. Okay, by n by n by n. Okay, let's see now what we will be getting. 4 and 2. Yeah, see, we have got the output what we are guessing. See, addition 6, subtraction 2, multiplication 8, division 2, modulo 0, power of 6. Okay, power of, no, we are not getting correct, right? 4 power 2 is not 6. No, power operator is not this. I guess this would be power operator. Now let's see. 4 power, okay, something's happened here. Yeah, a to the power of, let's run and get 4 2. Okay, actually there is no power operator in C language, so we can write this in this way, where power is a function POW of base. What will be the base and what will be the power? Let's try now. Okay, yeah, here it would be float. Okay, stop it. It would be float, because this function will be giving the output as float number, so we have to write the access specifier float. Okay, while including these maths operators we have to include, we have to include this line in the program, hash include math.h. yeah, yes, now it is good. Let's see whether we are getting the output or not. Yeah, we are getting 4 power 2 is 16, right? We are getting 16. As I said, if we use %f, it prints 6 decimal points, means decimal digits after the decimal point. Okay, now we have completed the program on arithmetic operators. Now let's move on. After these arithmetic operators, we are having relational operators. Relational operators are the operators which gives the relation between, which shows the relation between, which shows the relation between both the operator both the values, right? Relation between both the values. So we are giving both the values as a and b, or some other, and these relational operators will give whether they are equal to each other, or less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, greater than, less than, or not equals to. These all are called as relational operators in C language. Now let's write a program on this. No need to change everything, but no. Let's modify it. See, let's remove this because there is no use of this here. Taking input from user is common, and addition, no. We have to write here equals to equal. Let's see what we'll be getting the output. Okay, let's remove this line. Okay, let's remove this line. Values of A and B are 4 and 2. Okay, yeah, now we are getting that. See, after this, not %d, actually it would be boolean, but no problem, we can do it like this. Okay, now let's write a program based on relational operators. If A equals to B, okay, yeah. What's this happen? Yeah. Printf. Printf A and B are equal. Okay, else printf not equal. Yes. Now if A is less than or equals to B, printf A is less than or equals to B. Okay, the program has been completed. Now we can see this, and while running, yeah, we are getting let's give 3 and 5. Let's see. Okay, let's now put new line characters for every line at the end of every printf. See, let's now let's see what we'll be getting. 3 and 5. Yeah, see, these are not equal. As see here, if A equals to B means if A and B both are equal, it will be printing that A and B are equal. If they are not equal, it prints not equal. So here 3 and 5 are not equal, so it prints not equal and goes to next line as this is present /n. Next, this condition is being checked. If this condition is true, the statement inside this parenthesis this curly braces will be executed. If this condition is not true, the else part will be executed. Let's see now. If a less than or equals to b, 3 is less than or equals to 5, right? So a is less than or equals to b. This else is not executed, it is skipped. Now this a greater than or equals to b means 3 is not greater than or equals to 5, right? So this is printed. A is not greater than or equals to b. And next, a is not equals to b, a is not equals to b. This is a program on relational operators. Next comes the logical operators, right? Logical operators means there are 3 logical operators: and, or, and not. These 3 are logical operators. I'll be explaining them with an example program. Now let's write a program on logical operators, right? See, logical operators, there are 3 logical operators, which are and, or, and not. Let's discuss about those 3. And means, see now, let's print a, b, c, d. Okay. Now printf, enter all the integer values. Okay. Scanf, %ld, this should be written 4 times, and comma, and %a comma, and %b, %c, and %d. This is written. And let's know about and operator. Okay. And operator, %ld. Okay. And operator. Now if a is greater than b, and which is called as logical operator, logical and operator, and c greater than d. Now printf, a is greater than b and c is greater than d. Okay. Else one of the above conditions is false. Okay. Now let's run and see what is the output of this program. Enter all the integer values. Let's add 3, 1, 0 and 8. Let's see what comes. Okay, let's put these values here. Now let's run it. 3, 1, 8, 0. Okay. And operator. See this and operator. A is greater than B and C is greater than D. because see this, a is greater than b, right? 3 is greater than 1 and 8 is greater than 0. So as this condition is true and this condition is also true, it this block of code is executed and we have got the output a is greater than b and c is greater than d. Okay, this is called as logical AND operator. AND operator, right? Let's go on with OR and not to. OR operator. OR operator. Now let's, if, okay, let's copy this and paste it here. In place of AND, we'll be writing OR operator. OR. Okay. OR operator. And both the above. All the above conditions are false. Okay, and let's write not to. Not means, let's see here, not of greater than b. Okay, if it is greater than b, printing no. Above condition is false here. Let me write everything. Okay, now let's run this program. Enter the integer values 1, 3, 8, 0. Now let's run this program. Yeah, 3, 1, 0, 8. Okay, yeah, we have got the output. See, AND operator, I have got one of the above conditions is false because see, 3 is greater than 1, okay, but 0 is not greater than 8. So 0 is not greater than 8. This C greater than D condition is false. So this whole condition is false, became false, and this else part is executed. And now in OR operator, A is greater than B or C is greater than D, because this condition is true and this is false. In OR condition, in OR operator, if any one of the condition is true, the whole solution will be true. In AND operator, if both are true, then only it becomes true. If any one is false, then whole part will become false. Okay, and in NOT operator, see here, A greater than B. If not of A greater than B means A greater than B means okay, A is greater than B. If not is added here, then it becomes A less than B, means it becomes exactly opposite of this. So now it becomes exactly opposite, right? A less than B, it becomes as A less than B. So it is wrong and else part will be printed, and we have got this above condition is false. We have completed relational operators program also. Logical operators program also. I'll be giving you one table here. See, condition A, B, and A and B. Okay, and A or B, and B. First let's see AND operator. See, if true and B is also true, then AND will be becoming true. Both are true, the solution will be true. If this is true and this is false, this will become false. If this is false and this is true, this will be false. If this is false and this is false, this will absolutely become false. This is a table of AND operator. And now OR operator. OR operator, A or B. If it is true, if it is true and true, it will become true. If it is true and false, it will become true itself. If it is false and it's true, it will become true. If it is false and false, then it becomes false. Okay, this is a OR operator. And NOT, it will be like A and not A. Okay, it contains only one operand. Like, let me show you here. See, it have only one operand, right? A greater than B is one operand. Okay, so if it is true, it will be false. If it is false, it will be true. This is NOT. Okay, see here, this is and this is OR and this is NOT. Okay, this is a table. This should be saved. And now it's almost half an hour. Let's discuss about another 3 of them were remaining in operators. Those will be discussed in next class. Until then, you have clear clarity on these topics I have discussed earlier and now. Okay, if you have any doubts, comment me down below. And if you like this content, like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Engineering. Thank you.